Hello, my name's Patty Doran and I work for the UK Data Service. And I'm here today with Sam, who is not a user of the UK Data Service yet, but he's going to register and log in so we can see how it's done. So Sam, if you go to the top right hand corner where it says register login and select on that, and this takes you through to a page where you can select your university. So if you start typing the name of your university in the box where it says there, it's after a exact name. So you can type Manchester or University of Manchester and select that, that's right. And then select continue. And that will link you up with your university. But we also need your registration details for our records. So if you just go through and fill in this form, doesn't need a lot of details. You can put in your work address or a university address or a home address. It's looking for United Kingdom as opposed to Great Britain. It was up just a little bit. There we go. That's right. And then just go through. That's it. So then it's asking you your discipline. It might not have your exact discipline, but you can try and find something close to it. Oh, chemistry was up a little bit higher if you wanted chemistry, Sam. There we go. And user type, it's different if you're a commercial user or you're staff in an institute of higher education or a student in further education. So you can click that one if you like. And then saying where you're based. You can access the UK Data Service if you're not in the UK. And then just keep going down. This is your contact preferences. I contact people every now and then to see what they think of our services and of the website. So that's what the user experience one is about. And then we also have a newsletter and different ways that we sometimes contact you about things. If you want, you can, down below, you can open that end user license in a new tab. I wouldn't open it from that form because you don't want to risk the form details going. But you can click on that and see the end user license, just a few pages. But the end user license is the agreement for most of our data, particularly the data that you're likely to be using as a student. Just kind of goes through why the data is important and how you can't share it. And when you download it, it's specifically for you. But if you go back to the form, have a look. So those are the summary of the key points that you're agreeing to for the end user license. Like I said, the main thing is that you can't share it and that you're not using it for commercial purposes unless you've told us that you are. So then once you're happy with the end user license, you can tick that box and register. And this will take you through to my account. And you can see here it tells you how many projects you have and how many data sets you have. But that's it. That's all you need to do to register for the UK Data Service. It will ask you a few more details the first time you add some data to your account. It will ask you what project it's for. So you can just say it's for teaching and learning, and that's fine. Just fill in the information that it wants, but you can be quite brief and broad with that. So that is how you register as a new user with the UK Data Service.